Wondering if your device supports eSIM technology or if you need a physical SIM? FlexiRoam got you covered. In this video, we'll show you how to check if your phone is eSIM compatible so you can enjoy hassle-free digital connectivity. You automatically get an eSIM on your first data plan purchase. If your phone is not eSIM compatible, don't worry. We'll also show you how you can get a physical SIM delivered to your doorstep. The easiest way to check your device compatibility is through the FlexiRoam app. During the first launch of the FlexiRoam app, the app will automatically do a device compatibility check, whether you're all set with an eSIM or you need a physical SIM. For iPhone users, head to Settings, select General, then About, and scroll down to Available SIM. If your phone supports eSIM, you will see a 15-digit IMEI number. For Android users, open Settings and use the search bar to type IMEI. Look for an option like IMEI Information or EID. If you see IMEI, eSIM, or EID listed, your device supports eSIM. For quick compatibility check, simply dial *#06# to quickly see if your phone supports eSIM. If it does, a 32-digit EID number will be displayed on your mobile screen. Still unsure? Check out our list of eSIM compatible devices linked in the video description. It's important to note that in certain countries, specific phone models may not support eSIM technology, even if the model is eSIM compatible elsewhere. Be sure to double check for your region. If your device only supports physical SIM, FlexiRoam can help with that. Input your address in the shipping address field upon checkout. Complete your purchase and the SIM card will be delivered to you within 7 to 10 business days. And that's it. Staying connected anywhere in the world, whether you use an eSIM or physical SIM, made easy with FlexiRoam. If you need more assistance, please contact our support team and they'll be happy to help. FlexiRoam, the smartest way to travel flexibly.